How to transfer Amazon gift card to bank account. Hello and welcome to Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily transfer Amazon gift card to your bank account. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open the Amazon app. Then here tap on your profile in the bottom here. Once you're in your profile, you have to tap on your account here. And in your account scroll down and in Amazon Pay tap and open Amazon Pay. Then here in the bottom left you will see home. Tap on it and here you have to scroll down and first you have to tap on add a gift card and add that gift card to your Amazon Pay. So you can enter the code here and then tap on add to your balance. So once you add your Amazon gift card to your Amazon Pay, go back, scroll to the top and here you will see in quick actions send money. If you don't see, you can tap on see more and tap on send money. Then here in send money you will see here to bank. If you don't see the bank, you can scroll to the left and find it here. Then tap on to bank, enter here fill all your bank details and tap on pay now, and that gift card balance you added on Amazon Pay will be transferred to your bank account. So this is how you can transfer Amazon gift card to your bank account. Thanks for watching.